Chairman Pizza D Investments.
Thank you very much.
And we are working together on several investment related projects. So, Meer sir, please. Yes, sir.
First of all, Dr. Usman, thank you very much. और आप लोग जो सारे आए, honorable guests, Yasin Saab, Umair Bhai, everyone else. I'm actually honored to be here. I came to Dubai like 5-6 months ago, and it was a completely new place for me. But somehow I met Mr. Usman, and things changed for me. I had always had a big vision and passion. I was doing we launched some 50 projects in Pakistan, some of them huge. But I always thought that the biggest asset of Pakistan is overseas Pakistanis. So we are all overseas Pakistanis because they work in, some of the biggest multinational companies. They have all the experience. They can actually run the country. But even if they don't run the country, the business power they have and then the links they have, they can do amazing things. So I always wanted to create a platform. And luckily I found Dr. Usman. Dr. Usman, amazing person. He has amazing links here in the region and worldwide. But I always said, why are you not a billionaire yet? Because the links you got. I've got huge network and I know how to make money out of my network and make money for my network as well. And what I realized, he's such an amazing person. He's not greedy for the money. Like if I'm his friend, he will go out of his way to make meetings happen, get me connected with the right people. And I said, well, because your heart is pure, let's do something amazing together. Let's, all the network, all the people, let's bring them onto one platform. And that platform, what it will do, it will invest into some amazing projects, whether Pakistani, whether from Dubai or this region or international. And that's where we were talking about Spark Fund, we're talking about Pizza D Investments. And we're looking for great opportunities. I think the High Gear team is here. It's one of the top project right now worldwide from America and Cyprus. Similarly, we have so many other projects locally and internationally. So inshallah, you will see pretty soon. We would have one of the biggest event end of this year where whole community investors, startups, and amazing multinational companies, they will get onto one platform, Spark Fund. And we will, inshallah, will be the next biggest thing under the leadership of Dr. Usman, Umair, and Yasin Saab. So I really appreciate it. I would love to connect with all of you. I would like to speak individually with all of you. I would like to know what you do, how we can work together, how we all can work together and do amazing things for ourselves as well as for the nation and for the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you.